Good morning, everyone. It's me, Lex, and welcome to Daily Trading Notes. US markets wiped out earlier losses and closed higher on Friday as the biggest tech companies and market leaders Amazon, Apple, and Facebook soared after posting stellar quarterly results. The Dow rose 114 points to close at 26,428 after dropping about 300 points at its low of the day. The S&P 500 climbed 0.7% to close at 3271, while the Nasdaq Composite gained 1.4%. The major equity averages also wrapped up the month of July with solid gains and posted their fourth straight positive month. On Thursday, US reported the biggest contraction on record. Data from the US government released Thursday showed GDP plunged by a record 32.9% in the second quarter. The number was not as bad as feared, however, as economists surveyed by Dow Jones had expected a 34.7% decline. Meanwhile, in local markets, the PSEI may likely trade on a downward bias this week as investors await the second quarter GDP results. Watch out for immediate key support levels at 5.8, 5.7, and 5.4. The Philippine economy likely contracted 9.7% in the second quarter, deeper than the initial survey of 6.8%, according to the latest Bloomberg survey. Figure will be out on Thursday, August 6. In addition, BSP expects a hockey stick-like recovery with the lowest point in the second quarter. In other economic news, inflation rate likely accelerated in June on higher pump prices and higher rice prices. This was likely tempered by lower electricity rates from Meralco service areas as well as the appreciation of the peso against the US dollar. BSP remains vigilant in monitoring and international developments for any emerging risk to outlook for both inflation and economic activity. Figure will be out on Wednesday, August 5. Meanwhile, in terms of earnings, out of the 5 companies that have reported, 5 have missed estimates. That wraps up our daily trading notes. We'll see you again tomorrow. Stay safe.